With Kentico CMS, on-site editing provides a way to work with the content of a website through the live site. This allows editors to make changes to page content and manage documents directly while viewing the website from the live site. All actions within on-site editing are available in CMS Desk. On-site editing is simply a different way to edit the website and offers productivity benefits in many different areas. On-site editing is most suitable for adding or adjusting the content of an existing site. It's still recommended to use CMS Desk to create the core content of your website. On-site editing is accessed by logging into the live site or accessing the CMS Edit page. The on-site editing interface is not a required part of the system and can be disabled globally or for specific sites. System administrators control this in Site Manager, Settings, Content, and then selecting Content Management. And within that interface, they can either enable on-site editing, which will make the on-site editing available for all sites or just a selected site, as well as enable on-site editing button. When selected, the Edit Page button is displayed on the corner of the page. If disabled, you can access the on-site editing page through its dedicated URL. Within our live site, we can access on-site editing by either entering the CMS Edit page or by simply logging in. Let's go ahead and log into the live site as administrator. Once we log in, you'll notice that I have an Edit Page icon that's available in the upper left-hand corner. If I were to select, for example, our products page, you'll notice that this Edit Page icon follows me around. We're going to select our home page, and then we'll go ahead and select the Edit Page. This actually creates the on-site editing menus that you see here. This allows me to do things like look at a document listing, create new documents, edit, delete a page, set properties. We can also access things like CMS Desk and Site Manager. If I want to go ahead and modify or change content within our page, there's a couple of ways of doing that. You'll notice that when I hold my mouse over our content text area, that I get a highlight, much like you see within CMS Desk, as well as the ability to either edit our properties, and this would be our standard web part properties as you can see here, or I can edit our text. If I go ahead and I click our pencil icon, you'll notice that it brings up our edit text box as you can see here, and I have access to our WYSIWYG editor. So for example, if I just wanted to enter some simple text, like this is a simple edit, I can select it, I can also bold it, I can set an underline. Now that I've done editing, we're going to go ahead and select Save and Close, and you'll notice that this will save any existing changes that we made, refresh our page, and give us the ability to edit our page directly within our live site. Now that we've looked at how we can edit content, let's go ahead and sign out. One of the more important uses of on-site editing is the ability to edit structured documents. Let's take a look at how this works. Within our live site, I'm going to select Community and then Blogs, and then I'm going to go ahead and log in as administrator. Once I log in, you'll notice that I have my Edit Page function here. I'm going to select the Andrew Jones blog, and within the Andrew Jones blog, I'm going to select Edit Page. You'll notice that I have the Andrew Jones blog page that's here, and we'll go ahead and select Edit. You'll notice that this is the same page that you would see within CMS Desk within our Form tab. So I could modify either the blog description or the side column text using on-site editing right from the live site. We'll go ahead and close this. I can also now go ahead and do a number of things. I can either edit or delete an existing post. I can also create a new post. So using our on-site editing, we select New Post. I'm going to enter a post title of test and then a simple post summary and then a simple post text. Then you can go ahead and we're going to make sure that we have this available for publish, and we're going to go ahead and select save. And now you can see that our new post is available. We can also create a new page. You'll notice that when I select new, this brings up the same dialog of new document that we've seen within CMS Desk. I can also select a new blog post from here as well. We can also now go ahead and create a new blog post just using the new document. So same idea, different way of actually creating it. So I'm just going to enter test 2. I'm going to enter a simple summary here. And then I'll enter some post text. And then we'll go ahead and save. And now that we're going to save this, we'll go ahead and close it out. And as you can see, we've created the new blog post called Test 2, and then it takes us directly to that page.